Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why everyone suddenly started talking about boycotting Hamster Combat? Is it just a temporary wave? Or is there something serious going on that warrants this kind of reaction? Today, I'm going to share the story of this major shift and how it could impact the future of the game. When Hamster Combat was first launched, it attracted millions of users worldwide. Everyone was excited to try something new and fun, but over time, some started to feel frustrated. Why? Because they were eagerly waiting for the long-promised airdrop, but instead, there was a constant stream of new games that didn't quite capture their interest the same way. This frustration wasn't limited to just a small group of users, it turned into a global movement. Major foreign social media channels began launching campaigns to boycott the game. These weren't just fleeting comments, they were a genuine expression of anger towards what they saw as an overemphasis on new games rather than the anticipated airdrop. Amidst this uproar, a large number of users began withdrawing from the game. From an initial 155 million users, the number dropped sharply to 80 million in a short period. This raised questions about whether this decline was due to cleaning up bot accounts, as some fan pages claimed, or if it was truly a result of a global boycott. The controversy didn't stop there. Some pages started justifying the decline, saying it was due to removing bots and banning users who used VPNs and cheat programs. But is that the real reason? Or is there something bigger happening behind the scenes? As the boycott continues to gain traction, you'll find conflicting posts on Twitter. Some calling to support the game and keep going in hopes of finally getting the airdrop, while others see it as a waste of time. So in the end, is boycotting really the best solution? Or should we wait and see what happens next? My advice: don't be too quick to delete your account. There might be unexpected developments in the near future. We could see a big airdrop that turns things around, or the game could undergo a major change. Either way, keeping your account might be the safest bet for now. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you think boycotting is the answer? Or do you believe there are upcoming opportunities in the game? That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.